Origami Pencil. Today we are going to be making an origami pencil. All you need is a square piece of paper. We are going to learn how to fold it and we are going to decorate it. Start thinking, what is your pencil happy about, grumpy about, sad about, or how does your pencil look? Sometimes we all get fancy pencils that kind of brighten and cheer up our day. This is a Valentine's pencil. There's many different kinds of pencils. So start brainstorming, friends. Okay, for this project, all you need is a square piece of paper. If all you have is printer paper, like copy paper, that's fine, that works. If you have origami paper or scrapbooking paper that you can cut into a square, that would be awesome too. To get started, we are going to fold our paper in half. Corner to corner, corner to corner, and press as flat as you can. Okay, sometimes I like to use my nail to press down on it. And then with scissors, you are going to cut part of this edge so that you have two long skinny rectangles. Ta-da! Now, put one to the side so you can make another pencil later. You're gonna fold this in half. Again, corner to corner, and we are doing a horizontal fold. That's a long fold. Some people call it a hot dog fold. Okay, use your nail and open. And now we are going to fold from the top down just a little bit. You can measure about 2 fingers. Press. Turn it around, and now we are ready to fold this corner towards the inside. You want to line it up with this folded line, and with your fingernail, press. Okay, do the same thing to the other side. Fold this in and press. Take your time, sort of like building an airplane actually. Kind of looks like an airplane, doesn't it? You guys are so good at folding airplanes. I know that. Okay, next we're gonna fold this little corner here where this line meets the edge. We're gonna fold that in. So this line here is gonna go back in. And guess what? I learned this technique from a young child on the internet. So no one can tell me, oh, it's so hard. No, it is not hard. We just take our time. Okay, so we rotate it to this side. And now it really looks like an airplane. Okay. So let's keep it this way. And when you turn it, you have this little tip showing right here. So in this case, I used a printed piece of paper, white on one side, printed on the other, and that's the little tip that you would see here. Later on, when you're done, you can color that in. Okay, next, we are going to fold this paper up and press as crisp as you can. That is this section here. Okay, turn it over. And this is the last step, guys, believe it or not. You're gonna fold this edge towards the inside to meet along this folded line. Okay, align it. Make sure that it's aligned, and then make it nice and crisp with your fingernail. Okay, same thing. This one, go over to the center and press. And ta-da! You have your pencil. Now these are short, cute little pencils, and you can add little faces to them. You can also decorate them. If you want it longer, well, guess what? Just cut up a longer strip of paper. Now remember, you can use just plain white paper or you can use printed paper. And finally, the last step, if you made this with a white paper, you have a blank canvas. That means that you can make any pattern you want with your color pencils, crayons, or markers, whatever you have at home that you would love to use. So if this was, for example, a blue crayon or marker, then you would just add color. If you want it to be a realistic pencil, then I would color this tip of the pencil, the lead part, with a regular pencil, shaded in gray like a pencil, the graphite on a pencil. So here we have our blue tip. And then you can make whatever design you want. Remember, we talked about decorative pencils. So you can make patterns, you can make a name. Let's say his name is Blue. So make his tag. He could have a name tag. And if you want, you can make other friends. It can be a whole party of crayons, markers, or fancy pencils. Okay, if we want his name to be Blue. And you can add other decorations to Blue. All right, and finally, the little faces. There you can have all kinds of little faces. Blue can be a silly blue. Cookie Monster eyes. Okay, or it could be fancy yellow. Okay, you could even add just a little bit of pink on the cheeks. It's starting to look like a little clown. And go for it. Make all the little faces that you would like to do. Oh, this one could be sleeping. Maybe dreaming pencil. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time.